हैव हैज़ हैड में कन्फ्यूजन इसलिए रहता है क्योंकि ये ऑक्सिलरी यानी हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स भी हैं और मेन वर्ब्स भी। आइए दोनों केसेस में समझें सो दैट वी मे डिस्पेल द कन्फ्यूजन फॉर गुड। We'll start with have, has, had as helping verbs. Let's look at a few examples. I have bought a house. मैंने एक घर खरीदा है. She has bought a house. उसने एक घर खरीदा है. I have eaten. मैं खा चुका हूँ. She has eaten. वो खा चुकी है. She had bought a house. उसने एक घर खरीदा था. यहाँ पर have, has और had सिर्फ helping verbs हैं यानी इनका अपना कोई मीनिंग नहीं है. Whenever they are helping verbs, they do not have a meaning of their own. यहाँ have और has सिर्फ present perfect tense शो कर रहे हैं in the form of है, हूँ, चुका है and चुका हूँ, और had past perfect शो कर रहा है with था and चुका था in हिंदी. इससे ज़्यादा इनका यहाँ कोई मीनिंग नहीं, which brings us to the question that when to use the present perfect and the past perfect tenses. आइए let's discuss that briefly. So जब have, has और had helping verbs हों, इनका इस्तेमाल कुछ ऐसा है: I, you, we और they plus have plus third form of the verb, and he, she और it plus has plus third form of the verb. ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस तब यूज़ होता है जब पास्ट का प्रेजेंट से कोई लिंक हो. इमेजिन कीजिए यूर एट अ वेडिंग और वेडिंग होस्ट आपसे पोलाइटली कहता है कम लेट्स ईट. अगर आप खा चुके हैं तो आप कहेंगे थैंक्स सो मच बट आई हैव ईटन. नाउ व्हाई डिड यू से दिस? क्योंकि जो खाना आपने रीसेंट पास्ट में यानी कुछ ही देर पहले खाया उसका असर अभी प्रेजेंट में आपकी भूख पर है, विच इज़ दैट यू आर स्टिल सेटिस्फाइड, आपको भूख नहीं है. अगर प्रेजेंट पर असर ना होता तो आप कहते आई एट. टू मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. नो थैंक्स, आई हैव वॉच्ड दिस मूवी बिफोर. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट क्योंकि वो मूवी अभी भी आपकी मेमोरी में है एंड यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू वॉच इट अगेन. अनदर वन, आई कुड फाइंड द प्लेस ईजिली बिकॉज आई हैव बिन हियर बिफोर. पिछली विजिट का असर आपकी मेमोरी पर है एंड दैट्स वाई आई हैव बिन हियर बिफोर. अब पास्ट परफेक्ट पर आते हैं. आई हैड ईटन यानी पास्ट परफेक्ट आप तब यूज़ करेंगे जब ये पास्ट ऑफ द पास्ट हो, यानी जो चीज़ रिसेंट पास्ट में हुई है उससे भी पहले के इवेंट के लिए. एग्जाम्पल, I had had my dinner or I had eaten my dinner before the match started. Means मैं मैच शुरू होने से पहले अपना डिनर कर चुका था. Do you see the past of the past here? Match was the past and having food before it was the past of the past. So इस past of the past के लिए I had eaten. Another example. When I got home, my parents had slept off. घर पहुंचना past, parents का सो जाना पहुंचने से भी पहले past of the past. So my parents had slept off and not the simple past, my parents slept off. So that's the first scenario with have, has and had as auxiliary or helping verbs. Now the second scenario जब have, has और had ही main verbs हो यानी इनका अपना meaning हो, which is to own something, कुछ आपका होना. For example, I have a house, I own a house. Have is equal to own. This is the present simple tense and the rules are like this. I, you, we and they plus have, but he, she or it plus has. I have a house, I don't have a house. Do I have a house? But he has a house, he doesn't have a house. And does he have a house? Do you notice the return to have with the negative and the interrogative? Good. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में आपको ही, शी, इट का बहुत ध्यान रखना है. हैज़ सिर्फ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस में आता है, ही हैज़ अ हाउस. जब डजंट आएगा या डज आएगा यानी नेगेटिव एंड इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, यू विल गो बैक टू हैव. एज फॉर हैड एज द मेन वर्ब, इट सिंपली मीन्स ओन्ड, सिंपल पास्ट, यानी आई हैड अ हाउस, मेरे पास घर था. सो यू हैव आई हैड अ हाउस, I didn't have a house, and did I have a house? Notice again, जब didn't आएगा तो आप वापस have पर चले जाएंगे. A final note, always use don't for I, you, we, they, but use doesn't with he, she and it so that you can avoid mix-ups like he don't like ice cream and we doesn't live here. So that's the whole concept. Hopefully it helped. आइए अब एक 10 sentences की quiz पर चलते हैं. I'll speak out the question with a blank. You will decide to fill the blank with have, has or had. I'll give you some thinking time and then I'll reveal the answer with the reason as well. Let's begin. First one, doesn't she dash a day off today? So, if you said have, then you're very right. Although we use has with she in the present simple tense, but वो सिर्फ positive sentence में ही होता है. This was an interrogative sentence, so we used have even with she. Over here, have is a main verb. It has the meaning उसके पास छुट्टी होना. Second one, dash she finished her work. Yes, has is correct. It's a present perfect sentence. She के साथ has आएगा regardless of positive, negative or interrogative sentences. Third one, when I reached the exam hall, students dash started writing. If you said had, that's totally correct क्योंकि आपके पहुंचने से पहले students ने लिखना शुरू कर दिया था, making it the past of the past, hence students had started writing. Fourth one, does he dash a passport? Yes, the answer is have. It is the present simple tense. Interrogative sentence है, he के साथ भी have आएगा. Positive होता तो he has a passport आता. Number 5, she says she dash dash a passport. उसने कहा उसके पास passport नहीं है. If you said doesn't have, you're very right. She है तो doesn't ही आएगा और negative है तो have आएगा. Positive होता तो होता she has a passport. Coming to number 6, she dash visited us before. उसने हमें पहले भी visit किया है. That's right, she has visited us before. Number 7, why dash you blocked the way? Correct you are. Why have you blocked the way? It's a present perfect sentence. You के साथ हमेशा have. Number 8, Anita doesn't dash a daughter, she dash a son. If you said Anita doesn't have a daughter, she has a son, then you are spot on. First clause is negative, so she gets have, but the second clause is positive, so according to the rule, she gets has. Number 9, I dash completed the task, but she dash. So if your answer was I have completed the task, but she hasn't, you're absolutely right. Present perfect sentences, I gets have and she gets hasn't in the negative. And number 10, when you saw her, dash she taken off her sunglasses. जब तुमने उसे देखा क्या वो अपने sunglasses उतार चुकी थी? Yep, this is the past perfect. देखने से भी पहले sunglasses उतारने की बात हो रही है, making it the past of the past, so had is the answer. So, there you go, dear friends. Hope this helps. Now, I'm leaving you with a 10-question quiz on your screen. Feel free to share the answers in the comments. आप अपने sentences भी comments में लिख सकते हैं and I'll be happy to check them for you. Cheers and thank you for joining me.